In an off-grid setup, your solar-powered air conditioner is a crucial component for comfort and survival. But just like any other essential system in your off-grid setup, it requires regular upkeep to function effectively. In this video, we'll walk you through the vital maintenance steps that not only ensure your AC unit works efficiently, but also extend its lifespan, keeping your home cool and safe. Your solar panels are the heart of your off-grid system, so protecting them is crucial. Weather conditions like hail, heavy winds, and storms can cause significant damage if your panels aren't adequately safeguarded. Consider installing protective covers or shields that allow sunlight through but block harmful debris. Also, think about the placement of your panels. Installing them in a location that receives consistent sunlight throughout the day will maximize efficiency. In the winter, ensure snow doesn't accumulate on the panels, as this can reduce power generation significantly. Electrical safety is another critical aspect of maintaining your off-grid system. Off-grid setups are particularly vulnerable to power surges, which can damage your AC unit and other connected devices. Invest in high-quality surge protectors and consider adding a surge protection device, SPD, to your main power system. Regularly inspect all wiring and connections for any signs of wear, such as frayed wires or loose connections. If you encounter any issues, address them immediately to avoid more severe problems down the line. It's also advisable to have a basic understanding of your system's electrical layout, so you can troubleshoot minor issues yourself. Cleaning isn't just about aesthetics, it's about performance and safety. Solar panels that are covered in dust, dirt, or bird droppings can lose up to 20% of their efficiency. Clean your panels with a soft brush and water every few months, or more frequently if you live in a particularly dusty area. For the AC unit, focus on cleaning the filters and vents. Dirty filters can restrict airflow, causing the unit to work harder and consume more power. This extra strain can lead to overheating, which is a fire hazard in an off-grid home. Additionally, ensure that the area around your AC unit is clear of any obstructions, as proper airflow is essential for optimal performance. Routine inspections are the backbone of preventative maintenance. Set aside time each month to perform a thorough check of your solar panels, wiring, and AC unit. Look for any signs of wear and tear, such as cracks in the panels, corrosion on connections, or unusual noises from the AC unit. It's also a good idea to monitor the performance of your solar system regularly. Use a multimeter to check the voltage and current output of your panels, ensuring they are operating at expected levels. These checks can help you identify potential problems before they escalate into costly repairs. Maintaining your off-grid solar air conditioner is an ongoing process, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By following these maintenance tips, you can ensure that your system operates safely and efficiently, providing reliable cooling for years to come. Remember, a well-maintained system isn't just about comfort. It's about protecting your investment and ensuring that you and your family stay safe, no matter how extreme the weather conditions.